Hello and welcome to Lemma Dental Clinic. Today, we'll show you how we make a dental bridge to replace missing teeth and restore your smile. A dental bridge is a fixed restoration used to fill the gap created by one or more missing teeth. It literally bridges the space using the surrounding healthy teeth as support. It not only improves your appearance, but also helps with chewing, speaking, and bite balance. To place a bridge, we first prepare the two teeth on either side of the gap. These are called abutment teeth. We shape them slightly so the crowns of the bridge can fit comfortably over them. Next, we take a detailed impression or digital scan of your teeth. This helps us design a custom-made bridge that fits perfectly and looks completely natural. When your bridge is ready, we check the fit and appearance. Then we permanently cement it in place. The false tooth in the middle fits the gap, while the crowns on each side anchor the bridge securely. With good care, a dental bridge can last many years. It's a reliable solution to restore both function and aesthetics so you can eat, speak, and smile with confidence again. Need to replace a missing tooth? Contact Lemma Dental Clinic today and let's rebuild your smile beautifully and professionally.